Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Afra and today we're going to be talking about this file dialog. So no one's ever watched my recent video about the file dialog where we actually printed all this data into here, into the output over here. Well, you guys wanted to know, I want to extract this data, meaning taking that data and putting it on the multi-line text box, displaying it on the multi-line text box, okay? So here, I'll explain you the code. I'm going to explain you the functions mostly, so which is from line 3 to line 9. So this whole code, that's what we're going to be talking about. So open file windows, our function name like we did there. Over here on line 14, as you can see, file path, this is our variable name, right? So file dialog, because we did here from thing to import file dialog. Because this is a GUI widget, Thinker widget basically. There's 18 widgets in GUI. Ask open file name, meaning you'll open the file name when you press the button. Then title equals to open a file. Then file types is text file star.txt. So what does this star do? It's going to collect the whole value from the data and extract this data and put it into the multi-line text box. Now, in our next video, we're going to learn about how to actually extract a PDF and put it on the multi-line text box. Well, I'll show you that video later about how to do that. File equals to open file path. So when we get this file path, we have to put it on read mode. Then content equals to file.read. Content is the variable we made. Now we're gonna display this into not the function, the multi-line text box. So then x.insert, because our variable name here is x for the multi-line text box. Insert tk.end. All letters are capital for end, comma, content. Meaning whatever file the data it has in the content, it's going to paste this data into the multi-line text box and then write the data we have. Let me show you. So you guys can see my screen. I hope you do. Anyway, let's open this file. Yeah, see? It's writing Gala 60, Zane 45, Lin Guy, I meant to say Lil Guy 5, Bunny 33, and Sam 45, right? So, this is the data that we got from this file. Now when we extract it, you see it's now into the multi-line text box. Here, let me make this easier for you. Let's say we're opening a file, okay? Like I go into my file. This is a button where we have to open file. I open this button. I open it. Now it sends me to many of these files. But when I find one file, it shows me all this data here. Then what I want to do with this, I want to copy this whole data, then paste it into the multi-line text box or anywhere else, right? That's what's basically happening right now. So I'll show you it again. Let's do names. See, it's doing the same thing. Basically what it's doing, we open this button, open file, we find our file. So now as soon as we get this file, we get our data. It extracts the data from the file and now displays this into the multi-line text box. That's what it's doing down here. See? So thank you everyone for listening about my video about this file dialog and how to extract the data and put it into the multi-line text box. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye.